how to create a mega menu in Elementor. So the first thing that we want to do is log into our Elementor account here, hover over our preview website, and we will need to open up the WordPress dashboard. So click on Open WordPress dashboard here and it should load. Now what we want to do is hover over Appearance and then go to Menus. Now we will obviously need to first create a singular menu here, so call it tutorial menu here. I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to create a menu, and I'm also going to check this automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Now I'm going to create this tutorial menu, and it's going to look like this. Now what we will do is select all of the pages that we want to add to this menu. So for example, I'm going to open up Elementor here and I'm going to edit with Elementor. I'll create a few pages so we have some idea how we can add those to the menu itself, so we can make it a mega menu. So we're going to go to pages here, and I will do About Us and About Us page. So I'm just going to save this one. Would you like to see the changes you've made? Save. And then I'm also going to create a new page here. So I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm also going to create a Contact Us page. So Contact Us, I'm going to click somewhere. It's going to ask me probably again. All right, so I'm going to click on here and save draft. Now, after we have done this, I'm going to go back to my WordPress menu here. I will refresh it, and we're going to view all pages here. Now, if your new pages don't appear, we will have to actually make them not drafts. So I'll just click on them directly here, and we can add some widgets. So for example, Flexbox. Okay. Now we're going to go to our menu back in WordPress. And here we can add all of these pages that we want into our menu that we have just created. So tutorial menu, and I can choose this page and I can make it add to menu. Now it's going to look like this, and we can have the test page and we can save this menu. Now if you have multiple pages here, like I just showed you, wait, just give me a second. So what I've done is I've just gone to the Elementor website editor here, and I've just published my website. And now if we go back to WordPress, as you can see, the other pages appear as well. Now, so what we're going to do now is we're going to select this page as well, and we're going to add it to menu. And I accidentally added it twice. But anyway, if you want to create a mega menu, you will just drag and drop this like so. So as you can see, currently it's a separate menu. But if we drag it, as you can see, it goes a little bit further inside, and that's going to be a sub item for the page that we just created. Now, if we want to add this menu to our Elementor website, what we're going to do is I'm going to go back here, add element, and we want to search for WordPress, and you will get this WordPress menu. So we want to click on it, and it's going to add it like so here, and I just made it disappear, but it's going to be like this. It's going to have the test page, and it's going to have the About Us page right here. And if you want to set a menu, you can go to the menu screen, and basically we can also have an indicator here. So if I click on none here, if I click on the indicator, I can choose whichever one I want. And we can also play around with these settings, but basically that's how we create a menu and a mega menu or a sub menu on WordPress and Elementor. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.